From euphoric crescendos to hypnotic journeys, progressive house redefined the sound of electronic music. But what happened to the genre that once dominated the charts? To understand its evolution, we must first journey back to its roots in the late 1980s and early 1990s, pioneered by artists like Sasha, John Digweed, and Hernan Cattaneo. Progressive house emerged as a sophisticated, melodic evolution of techno and house music. It was characterized by longer track lengths, intricate arrangements, driving yet atmospheric bass lines, and soaring, often emotional, melodic progressions. Think of it as building a sonic landscape, where each element gradually unfolds to create an immersive experience. During the late 90s and early 2000s, progressive house reached its zenith, influencing countless artists and becoming a staple in clubs and festivals worldwide. Genres like trance and progressive trance began to borrow heavily from its melodic sensibilities and epic builds. However, as EDM exploded in the 2010s, the mainstream appeal of traditional progressive house began to wane. Styles shifted. Subgenres like electro house, big room house, and more minimalist tech house began to dominate festival stages and radio airwaves. Did progressive house disappear? Not entirely. It simply evolved. Artists like Eric Prydz, deadmau5, and Prida continued to push its boundaries, infusing it with new sounds and maintaining its core principles of melody and journeying. Today, you'll find progressive house elements woven into various subgenres. Its DNA is present in the deeper, more melodic strains of tech house, in the soaring anthems of some trance tracks, and even in the more experimental corners of electronic music. So, what happened? Progressive house didn't die. It transformed. It laid the groundwork for so much of what we hear today, influencing the very fabric of electronic dance music, proving that great melodies and intricate arrangements can stand the test of time.